Hi everyone, it's Debbie Mirza, the author of The Covert Passive Aggressive Narcissist. And today I want to share with you a heart healing meditation that I do quite often that is really, really powerful and helpful for helping you get really strong, helping you heal physically, emotionally, honestly, in every way. So what happens to us when we are in these relationships for usually a very long time is our bodies get used to certain emotional states. And I'm sure you'll relate to this is you your default now is fear and anxiety and sadness and depression. And so our body gets used to how to feel, and it turns to that as a default. And as a result, our body behaves very incoherently because we weren't made to feel this stuff. You know, this is not our natural state. Our natural state is very peaceful and very loving and very harmonious. And when we get away from that, problems begin to happen in our bodies. Disease happens, tiredness happens, brain fog happens. So I've shared, I think in another video, I've really been into Joe Dispenza's books lately and his information, a lot of it on YouTube if you're interested. And he explains this one heart meditation that when he does a lot of, he does a lot of experiments with people which I like. I like to see the science behind this stuff, you know. I'm very intuitive, so I can feel when things feel like truth and when they don't, but I also love it when it's backed up by science. So anyway, I don't know how he hooks people up to wires and something, but he had these people at his workshop and he had them do this, what I'm about to teach you, for just 5 to 10 minutes, 3 times a day. And after just 4 days of doing this, their immune system went up 50%. I mean, that's extraordinary. You know, if we were told if you take this pill 3 times a day, your immune system will go up 50%, that would be incredible. So what it is, honestly, is changing your emotional state to get your body used to a new way of feeling. Kind of deciding like, okay, I am not interested in being this person anymore that is filled with fear and anxiety and sadness. So who do I want to be? I'd like to be a person that feels peace, even when my outside circumstances tell me I shouldn't. I want to be that solid a person, you know? I want to be a peaceful rock star. So, okay, so what he does, if you can spend just 5 minutes, even once a day, it would start changing your life. So if you can focus on your heart center, kind of like right behind your breastbone, just put your attention on that center. You can keep your eyes open or close your eyes. But hold your attention there because that's where energy goes. Where our attention goes, that's where energy flows. So put your attention in that area. And then just start breathing, just noticing your breathing in your heart space. And as you do that, you'll notice you start breathing slower. And then I want you to picture and focus on the space around your heart center, because that actually takes you to a different brain wave. So you put your attention around your heart center, and you basically start thinking of things that make you feel happy, that make you feel good. And sometimes even that's a stretch for us. So a good place to start is gratitude. Just when you're focused on that space around your heart center, to just think, I'm so grateful for the home I live in right now, that I have a roof over my head. I'm so grateful that I have food every day. And then just really feeling that, and already you can feel your body settling down. I'm so grateful that I can count on the sun coming up and going down every day. That's not something I'm worried about. It's great to have things you can count on. I am grateful for the sunshiny day today. I'm grateful for the cloudy day today because it helped me feel relaxed and calm. And then maybe you can grow it to daydreaming scenes that make you really happy. Maybe you can think about your children. Maybe you can fantasize about what you want in your life and imagine it happening. Whatever you can do when you're focused on that space and just allow yourself to feel it. You can even set a timer for 5 minutes. Allow yourself to feel that and stay in that state. And what you're literally doing is teaching your body, this is how we're feeling now. This is what this feels like. I want you to get used to this because we're ready to move on, and we are ready to feel good and to feel strong and to feel grateful and all those wonderful things. And that brings so much harmony to our bodies. So I hope that you're able to do that, or you choose to do that. If this resonates with you, I hope it helps. I hope it brings you so much encouragement. If you do this and you do it, you start a practice of this daily, I'd love for you to comment and let me know if you actually see any changes in your life. I will say from my experience, I've been like sitting in these states longer throughout the days, whether that's through guided meditations really helped me do that, or doing what I just explained to you. And literally, I've been having knee issues for years, and it's been getting worse, and to the point where walking upstairs like really hurts. And I've noticed since I've been doing this over the last few months, my knees don't hurt anymore, which is so wild. And I've changed nothing else. I've just been doing this stuff religiously. So I want to encourage you that people's lives have transformed from creating those, bringing those elevated emotions and keeping them there as long as you can. And then the more you can practice throughout the day, you will start seeing that your body starts to go to those places faster than it did before, and it will become your new normal, your new default, and it will change your life, honestly. So I hope that helps, and I hope you take really good care of yourself, and I'll talk to you soon.